Getting on top of your work to-do list while cranking up your step count is possible, thanks to under-desk treadmills. Remember, walking for just 30 minutes a day can decrease stress, strengthen joints, reduce the risk of heart issues, and so much more. Not only are under-desk treadmills often much cheaper than their full-size counterparts, but they're compact enough to be stored, you guessed it, under a desk. To help you sidestep the flimsy options or those without enough padding to protect your joints, we tested several of the most popular walking pads on the market. These are the 5 best comfortable under-desk folding walking pad treadmills in 2024. Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the 5 best comfortable under-desk folding walking pad treadmills in 2024. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 5. Walking Pad A1 Pro. Walking Pad. Under-desk treadmills have a nifty design that makes stowing the treadmills when you're not using them a breeze. They can be folded in half. This is a great feature if you're short on space in your home office, or if you're living with small children or pets and need to keep the treadmill out of sight when it's not being used. The Walking Pad A1 Pro is fast to set up, has an easy-to-use remote control, and a screen on the front of the treadmill that displays your distance walked, time, and speed. The treadmill also has 2 different modes, manual and automatic. When the treadmill is in manual mode, you can change the speed of the treadmill using the remote or the KS Fit app on your phone. In automatic mode, the belt speeds up or slows down, depending on where you position yourself. Walk closer to the front, it speeds up. Walk closer to the back, it slows down. The Walking Pad A1 Pro is fairly quiet. During testing, we found the sound of the plastic end of our shoelaces smacking the belt during a walk was louder than the belt and motor in operation. While we'd still recommend headphones if you plan to walk while you're on a call, the walking pad won't disturb people in other rooms of the house. Overall, this is a great option. Although during testing, we did find that the KS Fit app was a little glitchy, which was irritating. Number 4. Bluefin Fitness Task 2.0 Treadmill. If you're looking for an affordable walking treadmill to add to your home office, the Bluefin Fitness Task 2.0 treadmill might just tick the right boxes. It's affordable, super easy to install, and has a handy handlebar to make running on the treadmill feel a little safer than most under-desk treadmills. With a top speed of 5 miles per hour, you won't be able to train for a marathon on this treadmill, but you could do a light jog between meetings. During testing, we found the treadmill was pretty simple to use. There's an LCD screen at the top of the treadmill that shows you your pace. Number 3. Golus 1 HP Walking Treadmill. Priced at $400, the Golus 1 HP electric walking treadmill provides an affordable option for integrating walking into your fitness routine. With 12 different programs, it keeps your workouts interesting while allowing you to multitask during work or TV time. This treadmill comes fully assembled and is user-friendly. The Golus 1 HP electric walking treadmill is priced at $409 and doesn't require a monthly subscription like some competitors. It's ready to use straight out of the box. With a simple design, the 6.5 treadmill fits under most desks, offering a spacious 41x17 walking area. The width ensures a comfortable walking stride, and it includes a convenient remote control with a 45-foot range. Featuring an easy-to-read LED touchscreen at the front, this treadmill displays key metrics like time, speed, distance, and calories burned. Unlike many walking treadmills, the touchscreen allows for independent operation if the remote is not in reach. However, what sets it apart is its suitability for under-desk use. While the Golus 1 HP electric walking treadmill is ideal for walking during activities like meetings, it may not suit runners due to its maximum speed of 4 miles per hour. It lacks handrails, but an emergency brake button provides quick stops. Be aware, though, it's not the quietest option, beeping loudly for various actions, making it less suitable for shared office spaces or quiet environments. The treadmill's noise level, especially the beeping, might be a drawback, making it less suitable for shared offices or quiet settings. The belt noise can also be noticeable. However, the convenient remote control, powered by a single battery, simplifies operation, allowing you to set time limits, calorie goals, or distance targets. Overall, the Golus 1 HP electric walking treadmill offers a budget-friendly option with some trade-offs in noise levels. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna TreadPad. During testing, we were impressed with how quiet the Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna TreadPad was to walk on during working hours. At $4.99, this is also one of the least expensive underdesk treadmills on this list as well, making it our best value walking treadmill. The TreadPad arrived fully assembled, so was ready to go in minutes, and has a top speed of 4 miles per hour, which is a walking pace of about a 15-minute mile. This should be fast enough for most people, but like all walking treadmills, it won't be fast enough for most to jog on. The digital display console shows speed, time, distance, calories burned, and steps taken. It's straightforward to read and easy to simply look down and see where you're at. It also has a safety cord that you can easily kick to stop the treadmill if you have any issues. The Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna TreadPad is operated using a remote control, which is easy to use, although you'll need to press fairly hard to change the speed of the treadmill. Unlike other treadmills on this list, you can't use the treadmill without the remote, so be sure to stow it away from anyone who might find it a fun toy. All in all, it's a brilliant, comfortable walking treadmill that should suit most users. Number 1. Lifespan Under-Desk Treadmill TR1200 DT3 Glow Up. If you have the budget for it, the Lifespan TR1200 DT3 Under-Desk Treadmill is one of the best on the market. At double the price of most of the other treadmills on this list, it doesn't come cheap, and while it's a great piece of equipment, we'd argue you're better off spending your money on one of the best treadmills that give you some more versatility in your workouts. That said, as an underdesk treadmill, the Lifespan is fantastic. It has a higher weight limit of 350 pounds, a top speed of 4 miles per hour, and has wheels that allow you to move the treadmill when you're not using it. It also has a large console with big buttons that make changing the speed as you work easier. The console also acts as the treadmill's screen, displaying all the stats you need, such as distance, steps taken, and calories burned. The major selling point here is how quiet the treadmill is. The treadmill has 6 impact-absorbing zones on the belt to minimize sound as you walk. During testing, we found this was definitely one of the quietest. We also like the Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to upload your walks onto the Lifespan Active Track Fitness app, helping you to get a better idea of your progress at the end of the working day. If you can afford it, this is a brilliant under-desk treadmill with a quiet belt and a heavier maximum weight allowance. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.